Hello students of Stafford County, this is Mr. and Mrs. Sutton's video for Basic Tech Skills 101 for you to use for school.
You may consider yourselves pretty tech savvy already because you already use programs such as iTunes to download and play your music, and you may visit websites like MySpace and Facebook to do social networking. You might also be familiar with a website like Google to do searches on the internet. And you might use a website like School Fusion, AG Wright or Mountain Views to check your homework online. But we're here to show you some things that you may not know and teach you some skills to use in the classroom. So here we have an example of a Microsoft Word document. Right now we're looking at Microsoft Word 2007, but many of you may have 2003 at home. They do the same basic things, but they may look a little bit different. If you want to go ahead and save your document, you go up to File, Save As, and here you see your Documents folder that the computer will default to on your computer. If you just want to save it to use again at home, you can give it a name and make sure that it's specific enough so that you're going to remember what the file is. If you just save it as your name or as the first sentence of the document, you may not be able to identify it later. You might also want to save your document to your flash drive. To do that, you want to click on My Computer, and you'll find your flash drive listed there. And if you have a folder for school documents on your flash drive, you can save it there, or you can just save it directly to your flash drive. Now, we recommend if you're saving a document to be used at school and you're using Word 2007, that you go down to the bottom where it says Save As Type and choose the Word 97 2003 document. That way your file will be able to be opened on the school computers.
Once you have created your document that you wish to bring to school and you've saved it to your My Documents or your flash drive, it's convenient that you can just bring your flash drive into school. But sometimes we forget our resources and don't bring everything with us each day. So using the school's Fusion page, there's actually another option for you to be able to make sure you have everything you need to turn in on time. Go to your school's Fusion page, such as the AG Wright one shown here, and log in using your student login ID and type in your password accordingly, and then click Login. Once you've logged in successfully, there's a great deal of information and tools available to you on your Fusion page. And as you scroll down, you'll find a good one called My Files. Simply click on the word My Files and you'll be taken to this page. If you've not used it before, then there won't be anything there, and the first thing that you can do is create a folder if you plan to use it often, or if you only want to use it for one file, you can click on Add File. At this point, you want to browse for the document that you have created, so click on the Browse button, locate in your My Documents folder the document that you are looking for, select it, and click Open. I recommend also giving yourself a short description of whatever it is that you are uploading so that you can remember it and access it accurately at school. The last step is to click Upload File. Now, when you get to school the next day, you'll be able to log into your Fusion page from any computer in the school, go to your My Files once more, and this document will be waiting for you to open, to print, or save at school in some way that is necessary.
In some cases, your teacher may require you to submit your homework online, or they may have it as an option. This is very easy to do. Simply go to your teacher's Fusion page and make sure that you're looking at your class. In this case, we're looking at English 9 Honors, Block 3Y. And scroll down until you see the section that says Class Homework. And this may be different on different teachers' pages. You just have to find it. And make sure you find the exact assignment that you're looking for. We're going to turn in the digital story assignment, and you see right below the assignment it says Submit Your File. Just click on this. And same thing as when you save to Fusion My Files, you click the Browse button to find it on your computer. Click on the file that you want, select Open. If you need to type any comments to your teacher will see this when he or she opens up your file. and then simply click Upload File. It'll tell you that your file has been submitted. You can print it if you feel like you need proof of this, or you can go back to the class. And now your teacher has your homework.
Another feature you can access as a student here in Stafford County through your Fusion page is your grades. This is a good thing for you to check often so that you can always be sure of what your current grade in class is, as well as any missing assignments you may or may not have. Once you log into your school's Fusion page, continue to scroll down, and on this left-hand column you see there are a variety of tools for you to use, more than we're going to show you in this video today. The one I want to focus on now is online grades. By clicking on it, you will then access the Oasis program that is available. As a teacher, you see I have a great deal more access to different various classes and courses. You'll have less. What you need to do is select on the course that is available to you that you are interested in learning more about, click on the View button, and you will then be able to access your progress and the grades thus far and in your class for that quarter or semester.
So now we've shown you some basic skills that you can use to be successful this year in our classrooms. This concludes Basic Tech Skills 101 for Stafford County students. Stay tuned for our next video, Part 2, where we're going to discuss blogs, wikis, and search engine strategies.